This kind of aluminum is made by aluminum. So after folded, it can save a lot of space.
像它的表面处理呢，是采用的柔光磁涌的表面处理，摸上去呢是有一个光滑的皮肤的触感。像旁边的这一款呢，就是我们一款7/8的落地窗，它呢也可以当做门来使用的。我们现在外面呢是搭配了一个玻璃的护栏，简单。
Now you can see I record a video about these aluminum forms made by no, the processing is for painting. The processing is for painting. Yes. And over here is all of the aluminum forms are recycled. Now we are going to, clean out the surface concrete. We will clean out the, yeah, you can see our welding location is very beautiful, very beautiful. Here you see this one for tidy. For door, and this one for window. This one for window. And this one support. This one support. Okay. Like the door, it decided by the width of your door and also decided by the height of your door. So this one, this column is different size, have to be different size. And also all of the tight parts is different. This one support, the frame is also different. Okay, so yeah, this one's house. I like the roof tile, and the roof tile is different.